it's gone. Guys, ang galing.
Goodbye.
Wow. It's my first time to see the sunset like that. You know that?
It is?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Over the
Because maybe
water?
because of the over the water.
Oh my god.
It's not gone yet.
Daisy and I used to watch all the time.
Oh, because you are in the harbor. Right?
Yeah.
Daisy watched the sun too?
Yeah, Daisy watches.
Really?
First it was Lily and me, then it was Daisy and me.
Oh. And Daisy was gone. You and your asawa is
No.
watching.
Yeah.
Oh, it's totally gone.